the embrace of dual use technology, and dual use meaning technology that's used by both government and enterprise. And as many folks know, if you use GPS or use the internet or semiconductors, you've benefited from technology that's been tested in government and military. And that gives a lot of comfort to private sector companies that this technology is proven. Conversely, governments here and abroad want to bring innovation into their processes and into their tech stacks. So they look to private sector, which is typically faster and spends a lot more money in terms of innovation and technology and applications. So they want to bring that into government processes. So those sorts of technologies, dual use, I think are going to be more and more popular and more commonplace. The second is, we've gone through several years of reduction of forces, globally and particularly inside organizations. And one of the roles that has suffered is operations and the COO role. And COOs and operations teams are really at the heart of connecting different functions, different processes, different data sets within organizations. And AI is going to increasingly play a role in connecting those different silos and teams for the larger good of the organization and to align teams, strategies, and processes for shared and positive business outcomes. A few other things I'm looking forward to, I think are going to be happening in 2025, is the sort of embrace of the human's role and individual's role in AI. Much of the past couple of years has been focused on the speeds and the feeds and the size of the training data sets and the benchmarking of different models and potential use cases, but oftentimes how it affects individuals' lives on a day-to-day basis, both professionally and personally, will increasingly come to the fore. And we can see that with consumer companies like Apple and Google rolling out AI into their devices. So people plus AI is going to be a big piece of what's happening in 2025 and beyond. Another accelerating trend in 2025 is the wholesale change to the software as a service industry, which we've had 20 years of nonstop, for the most part, growth, and companies buying different software tools and trying to put them together. And that era is pretty much effectively coming to an end with AI, and how all of this software and the companies that sell it react, and how businesses that buy, as they do on an ongoing basis, buy and implement software, change and use AI to make that software more efficient and to decrease their dependency, frankly, on some of these large software vendors, is going to be a tectonic shift in business buying and the technology landscape in 2025.